To find federal cases using Google Scholar, change from articles to case law below the search bar. The federal courts choice will search all federal courts. To choose courts in just your circuit, click Select Courts. The federal courts are in the right columns. Select Supreme Court and then the circuit in which your state resides. Iowa is in the 8th Circuit. Click Done. Insert your search. The cases will sort by relevance. You can sort by date, placing the newest cases on top. You have other filtering options on the left as well. In the entry for an individual case, you will first see the case name. You will see citations to the case, where the case can be found in print reporters. For the Supreme Court, the official reporter is the United States Reports, abbreviated US. You will see context that has your search terms. At the bottom of the entry, you will see a line that includes a cited by entry, telling you how many other cases and documents have cited this case. If you click How Cited, you will see context around those citations to get a feel for how later courts have treated the case. Click the case name, and in the heading, you will again see a citation to the case, the party names, a docket number, which is how the court keeps track of these cases, the court, the dates that the case was argued and decided, and the text of the opinion.